Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make homemade Ulundhu powder mix, which is the key ingredient for the traditional Tamilnadu special Ulundhu. For this recipe I am using Karuppu Kavuni and Mapillai Samba, both of which are types of millets commonly found in South Indian cuisine, instead of white rice. Take 1/4 cup of each and wash them thoroughly, then drain the water completely. Similarly, wash 2 cups of black gram, also known as Karuppu Ulundhu or black Urad Dal, and drain the water completely. Spread the millets and black gram separately on a paper towel or a clean cotton cloth and sun dry them until they are completely dry with no moisture left. Given the weather in Canada, it is not always easy to get sunlight throughout the year. We need to take advantage of the summer sun to dry ingredients like this for making powders. It has been sun drying for a whole day and now it is completely dry. We are ready for the next step. Heat a pan and add the black gram. Roast it over medium heat until it is nicely aromatic and well roasted. Then set it aside. Similarly, roast the millets over the medium heat until they are well roasted. You will notice the millets popping up as they cook. Once done, set the millets aside with the roasted black gram. Spread them out on a wider plate and allow them to cool completely before grinding. Once cool, grind the mixture in a flour mill or use a blender to achieve a fine powder consistency. While grinding, you can add 2 cardamom pods for extra aroma and taste, though this is completely optional. Make sure to sieve the flour and allow the flour to cool completely before storing it in an airtight container. Now let's prepare the curry using our homemade powder. Today I am using 1 cup of curry mix. First heat a pan and add 2 medium-sized pieces of palm jaggery along with 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Since I want a pouring consistency today, I am using 4 cups of water. If you prefer the traditional thick curry that you can form into balls, simply reduce the water quantity to 3 or 2 cups. Adjust the amount of palm jaggery based on your sweetness preference. You can also substitute palm jaggery with regular jaggery, but keep in mind that the flavor will differ. I found this pure palm jaggery here in Canada, and if you are interested in where to get it, just leave a comment. I will share the link. Meanwhile, mix the curry powder with water as needed, stirring well to achieve a smooth, lump-free batter similar in consistency to dosa batter. The palm jaggery has melted well, so strain it and bring it back to a boil. Slowly add the prepared curry mix while stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Cook over medium heat until it thickens. This curry supports the health and well-being of teen girls and women. I recommend preparing it at least once in a week to enjoy as a nutritious breakfast or even an evening snack. If you did not add cardamom powder while grinding the curry powder, now it is time to add it, along with a few pinches of dry ginger powder, which is completely optional. Continue to cook until you see vigorous bubbles. You can cover it with a lid to help it cook evenly. With the Ulundhu curry mix, I sometimes make Ulundhu kanji with roasted coconut and almond slices, which is my favorite. Other times I prepare the curry in a thick ball consistency. Most often, I make it with a halwa-like consistency. It really depends on the availability of ingredients and the time I have. Now coming to the recipe, continue cooking until it reaches a halwa-like consistency. Finally add a generous amount of ghee on top and mix well and serve hot. It thickens as it cools down. My husband and daughter have already enjoyed it and I was the last to have mine. It was truly delightful to eat in peace. I have already uploaded a video on how to make curry on my channel and I will provide the link in the description box for your reference. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting and similar content. Thank you.